So I hope you will enjoy this trip with Most Reverend Holy Priest Father Chris Tyszko and Most Reverend Holy Deacon Joseph, and with humble me Father.
Deacon Rick.
Oh, Deacon Rick is also okay. So I think we have everybody, so I hope you will enjoy this trip. And just in case, if you are planning to die, we have a priest with holy oils. So please let me know before. Okay?
We have a nurse.
We have a nurse also. Do we have a doctor? No? Okay, we have just a priest and nurse. Okay, it must be enough. Okay, thank you. We can go? Yes. Maybe in the beginning we can say a short prayer, okay?
Yes.
In the name of the Father, Son, and the Holy Spirit. Between these two sessions there will be a break for a restroom, like 10-15 minutes if you need to go. Right after the show, if possible, don't use the restroom, just come straight to the bus and we go for dinner. It is like from this place where we stay like 10-minute drive, so you can use your restroom in this Chinese buffet. Okay, so as soon as possible the show, go to the bus. And Father Chris is so good, so he's inviting us for dinner. All is on him. You see, he's nice. If you get him know better, he's showing his human face. So you can send him later, all this thank you cards.
I'll pass my Venmo code around later.
Is that the same as drinks on the house?
Only soft drinks.
Yay! That New Jersey bus was a little bit better. One more time, come on.
Yay!
Alrighty, nothing like good competition. Alright, welcome to Sight and Sound. My name is Christine. I have a few little things to go over and we'll do it quick so you can get off the bus and enjoy being in the building. Once you get off the bus, you will be walking towards the back of the bus. Follow the sidewalk all the way to the Lion and the Lamb. Once you get to the Lion and the Lamb, you will be going through security. Once inside, you guys will be going to the right. What direction are you going?
Right.
Good job. Once inside, on your side of the theater, has the concession, the gift shop, and the restrooms. We call that one-stop shopping. Once inside, you can buy food and drink at concessions. We ask that you take your garbage out with you. We also ask to please sit according to whatever your ticket says. If you're not sure, you can find someone inside to help you find your seat, but please sit according to ticket. Once inside, you can take pictures, but once the show starts, please turn your cell phone off.
Their group? 150.
Thank you so much.
Sorry.
Entrance C.
And please turn your cell phones off because we don't want it to be a distraction.
to lead us out of Babylon. For I was just a boy when I came here. When 70 years are completed for Babylon, I will come to you and fulfill my gracious promise and bring you back to this land.
Who are you, old man?
I am Daniel. I seek to tell you a story. A tale of 4 kings. One great, one foolish, one who was deceived, and one who is destined to be regarded as wise for all the ages of the world to come. During those many years, we were living in a foreign land, speaking a foreign language, and living under a foreign king.
My king, I've heard of this man.
For you, Lord, are righteous, yet we rebelled against your command. Jerusalem has sinned greatly. As punishment, we shall serve the king of Babylon for 70 years.
70 years is a long time.
King's executioner will be in the chamber. If you are found unworthy, you will be executed on the spot.
You dare to defy me? Let the furnace be heated 7-fold. Bind them and cast them into the fire.
It's the Babylonian way of conquest. You take away the leaders, and the rest can easily be governed.
The Lord God will strike you down like an enemy.
Anyone who prays to any god or man shall be thrown into the lion's den.
Why didn't I consult you before passing that accursed law? Take him away!
Why has the king issued such a harsh decree?
Am I now to kill my most faithful subject?
I call upon your name, O Lord, from the depths of the pit. Hear my plea. Redeem my life.
What we need to promise is to always love our God and be obedient to him. Have faith.